What's up guys, so today we're installing the LG Billet door handle for your 95 through 99 OBS. So tools you're gonna need are gonna be a Phillips screwdriver, and then you're gonna need a 7 and a 10, and then a plastic prying tool, like trim tool for your window switch. What you wanna do is take it out and then take out all of your switches. And then you want to get your last one right here. As you can see, I already took them out. And then you want to grab your Phillips. You got 2 screws right here. So you got your 2 top Phillips screws. And then after that, you want to take this off. So with your prying tool, like I said, we already took ours off. And after that, you want to take this little trim. It just has like a plastic pin in there holding it. That comes off. All right, now you get your door panel off. It has these same little clips all around. So all you want to do is hold the door and pull them all out. And right here, usually like clipped inside, so you want to pry it up. Get your wires out the way. It should come off. So you got the door panel off. On our previous install, we did the door lock sliders. So we took the rivet off that usually comes stock. So we replaced it with the bolt. So now we took that bolt off, which is like 11 millimeter, and you just slide this one off where the little fins are and pry it out. All right, so in the back, undo the 2 linkage, the one for the door handle and the one for the lock slider. So as soon as you have that, you should be able to slide it off. You got your door handle assembly out. So now, easy way to take the door handle off is you open it, with the screwdriver, push down on the door handle, and then at the same time, push this up. And then what you want to do is just pry it out. So you want to get your bigger screwdriver, and then you want to pry the old spring out. Now that we're in here, it's a good time to replace your door lock sliders, which are available on the LG Billet website. Just take it out, and this old OEM one, just throw it away. Put the spring back on, you have your little notch, then you push it back, and it should clip in right here. Just like that. So you got 2 Allen bolts on each end, which replace your like little plastic thing. So all you want to do is take them, bolt them apart, put the piece in, and then tighten them down. So you want to make sure you're not tightening against the plastic. It has to go through the plastic. As soon as you have them all snug, just make sure your spring's working good and everything, and then you want to put it back in the truck. All right, so you want to slide it in, put your linkage rod in. So the lock and the lock handle, the linkage will pop into place, those little plastic. Then you want to put them on the fins again, and just push. Then you want to grab your bolt, where it goes. You just want to make sure it works. Don't be like me and. Yes. Just make sure it's tight. Now you want to put your door panel back on. That's nice.